Okay, welcome to Omsis My School. Please subscribe the channel and share it and press the bell button. Yes. Okay, continue. Let be Son's Teacher by Abraham Lincoln. And already I said the up of the summary. And next we will continue the same lesson. After completion of that, some part will be completed. Next continue this part 2. Yes, here the teacher teach him to the student how to laugh when he is sad. Yes, how to laugh when he is sad. And this is very important. Okay, don't fear, don't tension. In the sometime the in the classroom students are very suppose he committed the one mistake is there and he is going to sleep and very crying and crying. Okay, at the time the teacher must ever the knowledge. Please, okay, laugh. How to laugh when he is sad, and don't shine the when he is crying that. That is also అంటే ఏడుస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏడనివ్వండి, బాధ ఉన్నప్పుడు నవ్వు పుట్టింది, అది రెండు విధాలుగా వెళ్ళాలి. ఎస్, ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ద టీచర్ మస్ట్ టీచ్ హిమ్ టు ద స్టూడెంట్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్సో tough with the tough people. Yes, Abraham Lincoln continues. Abraham Lincoln appeals to the teacher. Tough with the tough people, harsh with the harsh people. Yes, difficulty or very easy method you can deal with. Okay, in this way the teacher teach him each and everything and to say the children how they're behaving in the classroom or outside. So the classroom is the major role to learn each and everything provided by the teacher only. See, at the time parents very worry about their children. Why? Because he can't listen to me. I will send to your school. The teacher will punish you. Sometimes the parents scold to the students. So that's what Abraham Lincoln thinking like that. The teacher can mold each and everything only by teacher only. So you want to give the only guidelines to the teacher only through the letter only. Through the letter is not directly to say the teacher. Through the letter only, his son's teacher. Okay, my dear teacher, please teach him in the same way and how to inculcate honesty. And the teacher must instill in his son honesty, faith, love, courage. So these are the very important. Yes, Abraham Lincoln appeals to the teacher. The teacher instill honesty, faith, love, courage among the students, among the kids. This is what he want to say, Abraham Lincoln. Honesty, faith, love and courage. Yes, both are very important words are there. The student must know that how to behave. Yes, faith, love and courage and each and everything instruction by the only teacher only. So he want to inculcate among the kids. So and also the teacher, those who are the highest, yes, who are the talented persons are there, please let them encourage, let them speak out sometime. The teacher here, the facilitator, whatever they want to speak, that then encourage them, give the chances and encourage them. The teacher must know each and every. That's what he wrote a letter to his son's teacher. Abraham Lincoln appeals to each and everything. My dear teacher, please take care of him. Please say each and everything. My children is going to school. And teach him so many wonders in the books. Okay, beasts in the nature and hills are there, greenery field is there, and so many wonder. He when he is reading, he will get the excitement. That is the wonders. So books are provide each and everything, knowledge, wisdom. The teacher teach him like that only. Please, each and everything provide only books only. So yes, and also the teacher teach him self-respect, self-confidence, build up. How the building, how the construct a building like that? From rightward onwards, from foundation onwards, how the building a construct. So in the same way here also, the student, how to respect, how to build up a self confidence. Only can provide the only teacher only. So I want to appeal, my dear teacher, please take care of him very gently way. Please, you are so kind of. Please get rid of the scare from the student. Please remove from the attention, fear, scare, each and everything. Remove from the my children. Please being extra care, being extra care until he is habituated to school. Let him allow. Please, okay, don't hash with the students. Please, yeah, yes, I know very well about the teacher. This is my suggestions or guidance only. But my dear teacher, please keep in mind, you are the best. What can you do? Yes, whatever the best in your mind, please do. That is the best only. This is my suggestion only. But teacher, according to your use, what is the best method you can use? Okay, this is about the conclusion of the yes, Abraham Lincoln. So many instructions, guidelines to the teacher, but teacher here the facilitator. Teacher must remove the scare and tension fear from the student only. Get rid of the get rid of tension, fear, each and every from the student. And also you want to update the school and every day come to school and learn each and everything. Okay, this is what about the letter to his son's teacher by Abraham Lincoln. Okay, this is a summary about the lesson, and we can frame the, we can write and not only annotation but also paragraph questions. Okay, listen and listen English to English, then only you can once see our book. If you have any book, then see that only, definitely you will get the more marks. Listen, it will keep on remembrance long time. The best method, first of all, listening is important, utmost important. Okay, my dear student, and keep on and touch with, and if you have any doubt, then ask me and comment me something else if you want anything grammar. Okay, please subscribe and share your friends. Okay, bye. This lesson is completed, and see next lesson or poem. Okay, next poem, Commonwealth of Bees. See the next lesson. Okay, bye, see you.